So, what's the one thing you need when doing a restoration project? The thing before anything else. Well, except for the car. You need a list. To start my restoration list, I'm just going to go around the outside at what needs doing. So there's a few scratches here, a little dent there. The wheel covers are a bit scratched up. And the rear is damaged, which I mentioned in a video. I made a terrible mistake, and as you can see, there's a buckle there, which also damaged the bumper bar underneath. And again, just a few little scratches on the wheel covers and scratches around the car overall. So that will probably transfer to a complete respray, which, being a rare color, will be a bit difficult. And then mechanically, the car is pretty near perfect, just needs a bit of TLC and polish to look nice. Moving inside, the only real problems are a missing cover there, the one fan doesn't work, and this is jammed. Then you could say that door is squeaky, that just needs a little bit of WD-40. I've already stolen the rear headrest from my other Nissan Sunny, and that wiper, which didn't work originally, randomly started working, so I guess that doesn't need replacing. But that's really all on the inside. I'd say overall it's pretty good. Almost forgot the most important thing, checking for rust under the car, which overall it looks pretty clean, just with a little bit of rust which would need treating. Now it's time to see what I can take from the donor car, which is over there, and put into this Sunny to make it perfect again. Stuff on the inside which I can get from this other Sunny for my main Nissan Sunny include this switch, whatever allows this fan to work on one, and this cubby cover. Now, I think the donor car has a bumper bar which is straight. However, the bumper does have a little cut there, so I don't think I'm going to swap the entire bumper over. Just going to crawl under the car and show you guys the bumper bar. Now then, this Sunny is quite rusty, and it looks like the bumper bar, which is right here and goes up there as well, is also quite rusty. You can't really see it, but it runs the width of the car. So I think I'll still be able to take it out, treat it, and put it onto the other Sunny. As with every restoration project, and every project ever, there's the unexpected things, such as my brakes rubbing, which I thought would be a pretty quick and easy fix, which it was. However, upon getting them fixed, the mechanic found that both of my rear shocks are leaking, my near side front lower suspension arm is corroded, and I need a total of 3 to 4 hours of welding, which is 945 pounds, which is a lot of money. Which brings me to the restoration list. So other than stuff, I have a list of all the things which the car needs fixing and where I can get it fixed, such as being a professional doing it and having it paid to be done, or the donor car can give me some of the parts, I might have to buy some, and me means, well, I can fix that. And of course I can't forget the unexpected fixes, such as what I just listed. So next thing to do after creating the list is find out the cost of getting the restoration. So I just did a general Google search of how much does restoration cost, and ended up getting $40,000 to $60,000, which is a lot even in pounds. I thought that couldn't be right. You know, £40,000 just to restore that little old car. So I decided the price of a respray, since that's really all it needs. And even that is quite expensive because it's a limited edition car, which is quite rare, and an older car, meaning it's probably close to £10,000. There's only one thing to say about that price. Well, that was a first. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace!